Hello, did you know that just as the lion is referred as the king of the jungle in the wild, content is also referred as king in the world of content creation? You don't know, right? Don't worry. In this video, I am going to unveil to you things you should know about a content. Stay tuned.
Chris, Igobasi CEO, MindBurst Entertainment.
Hello, MindBurst Nation. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on when you are seeing this video. Welcome to another episode of Understanding the Content Creator's Mindset. I am Igobasi Chris, the leader, MindBurst Nation, and as well the CEO, MindBurst TV. I am just here to unleash and unveil what you need to know about your mind, your mindset. Why? Because your mind is a powerful weapon, a powerful tool at your disposal to achieve any dream of your choice. Whether you are a student, a professional, a career personality, an entrepreneur, a businessman or woman, you will need the right mindset to succeed at what you are doing. But for today's video, we are focusing on who? A content creator. So if you are new to this channel, please consider to click the subscribe button and the bell icon beside it so that you get notified each time we post a new video. Also do well to please follow us on our social media platforms. Like and share this video with someone. So far in this series, we're understanding the content creator's mindset. We have looked at what a content is and as well who a content creator is. We've also gone further to look at what the content creator's mindset is all about. So we are now into the world of content creation really. And like I've said before, lion is referred to as the king of the jungle in the wild. But in the world of content creation, content in quote is referred as a king. So for you to succeed as a content creator, you must have a good knowledge. You must know what a content is. I've done the definition and I am going to put the link to that video in the description below. But today we are focusing on what a content is, things to know about a content. There are certain things that we all need to know about a content. I've always said that what you don't know seniors you. So for you to have a better understanding of content creation, let's look at some things you should know about a content. Number one, purpose. Every content must have a purpose, a goal, or a niche. I define a purpose as the reason why you are doing that thing that you are doing. So in our context today, your purpose should be the reason why you are creating that particular content. The niche, whether educational, entertainment, amongst others. So you should have a purpose for your content. Number two, audience. After you have discovered the purpose for your content, the next thing you should consider is the audience. Who are you creating your content for? Who are you creating your video for, as the case may be? If you have known your target audience, you must tailor your content. You must tailor your video to that particular targeted audience. Number three, formats. You need to choose the right format for your content, whether it should be in video format, image, blog post, audio, podcast, as the case may be. Number four, quality. To succeed as a content creator, you have to make sure that you produce quality content. Ensure that your content is well researched, accurate, and engaging. Number five, relevance. Another important thing you need to know when creating a content about a content is that your content must be relevant to your targeted audience. Your content must be relevant to your audience interest, your audience needs, what they want. Everybody that comes online comes for a reason. So if you are creating a content, ensure that the content you are creating meets the need of your targeted audience. Number 6, consistency. You have regularly post contents. Could be weekly, could be daily, at your own schedule. The one that is convenient to you, but ensure that you are consistent. You are regularly posting content so that your audience can be engaged. The next thing you need to know about a content is that it has to be what? Search engine optimized, otherwise known as SEO. Your content must be search engine optimized. Create and optimize your content for search engine so that you can increase visibility and engageability. Number 8, engagement. Ensure that your contents are engageable, because engagement is also very important in the world of content creation. If you create video, people must engage by watching it, dropping comments, liking the video, and as well as sharing that video. That brings about what? The engagement of that content. So ensure that you create content that are engageable. You can go further to encourage your audience to engage with that video through what? Comments, questions, as well as discussions. Encourage your audience to engage with the comment. So I'll choose this medium to say, please engage with this content, engage with my video. Your feedbacks, your comments, your questions are very important to us. Let us know what you think, your take about this video, and I will definitely come back to answer your questions. Number 9, measurement. Another thing you need to know about a content is what? Measurement. You need to regularly take track of your contents. If you are creating a video, you monitor their performance, you monitor how they are behaving online. This will help you to evaluate how your content is performing. Evaluations like the views, the likes, the shares, the contents, among others. You have to ensure that you measure, you track how that particular video is performing. Number 10, adaptability. Adaptability is going to be the last thing you should know about a content in this video today. Be willing to adjust your content creation strategy based on your audience feedback. Listen to what your audience is telling you and adjust, adapt to what they are saying, because you are not creating that video for yourself. You are creating for people to view it, for people to learn, and their contribution is very important. So learn to adapt to what your audience are saying. So that is it. These are the 10 things you should know about a content. I believe you must have learned something from this video. If you have gotten value from this video, please drop it at the comment section of this video. Guess what? My name remains Igobasi Chris, the leader, MindBurst Nation, a place where we are building a people with the winner's mindset. We believe that at MindBurst, that if you can think, if you can believe, and if you can take action, then you can achieve any dream of your choice. Why? Because whatever the human mind can conceive, believe, and if action is taken, the mind can achieve it. Please do well to subscribe to MindBurst TV on YouTube. Also follow us on our social media platforms. Like and share this video with someone. Also remember that your comments and your contributions are also welcome. Your feedback is important to us. We want to hear from you. Let us know so that we could as well learn and get back to you. Thanks for watching and always being there. See you in the next video. I love you.